Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Must-know off-road car maintenance tips for rugged adventures. Off-road driving can be thrilling, but it also puts extra demands on your vehicle. Ensuring your car is well maintained is crucial for a successful off-road adventure. By following some key maintenance tips, you can keep your vehicle in top condition and enjoy a safe and smooth ride off the beaten path. One essential aspect of off-road car maintenance is regularly checking your tires. Proper tire pressure and tread depth are vital for traction on challenging terrain. Inspecting for any damage or wear can help prevent flats and other issues while off-roading. Additionally, having a full-size spare tire and the necessary tools for changing a tire is a must for any off-road trip. Another important maintenance tip for off-road driving is ensuring that all fluids are at the correct levels. This includes engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Off-road conditions can put extra strain on your vehicle, so having these fluids at the proper levels can help prevent damage and keep your car running smoothly. Regularly inspecting the undercarriage of your vehicle is also crucial for off-road maintenance. Rocks, mud, and debris can get lodged underneath, potentially causing damage to vital components. By cleaning and inspecting the undercarriage after each off-road excursion, you can spot any potential issues early and address them before they become major problems. Tire care. Taking care of your vehicle's tires is crucial for safe and enjoyable off-road adventures. Regular maintenance ensures your tires are in optimal condition to handle rough terrains and challenging landscapes. Let's look into the key aspects of tire care for off-road driving. Checking tire pressure regularly. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential for off-road performance. Low tire pressure can affect traction and stability, while overinflated tires are more prone to punctures. To ensure your tires are ready for the journey ahead, use a tire pressure gauge to check and adjust the pressure according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Remember to assess tire pressure before and after each off-road trip to prevent any unexpected issues on the trail. Maintaining proper tread depth. The tread depth of your tires plays a vital role in providing traction on off-road surfaces. Worn-out treads can reduce grip, especially in muddy or sandy conditions, compromising your vehicle's ability to maneuver effectively. To gauge tread depth, use a tread depth gauge or the penny test. If the tread depth is below the recommended level, consider replacing your tires to ensure optimal performance during off-road escapades. Choosing the right off-road tires. Selecting the appropriate off-road tires is paramount for a successful off-road journey. Consider the terrain you'll be traversing and choose tires with the right tread pattern and size to suit those conditions. All-terrain or mud-terrain tires offer excellent off-road traction, durability, and performance. Consult with a tire specialist to determine the best tire type for your off-road driving needs, ensuring a safe and thrilling experience on rugged trails. By carefully monitoring tire pressure and tread depth, and selecting the right off-road tires, you can enhance your vehicle's performance and safety during off-road adventures. Prioritize tire care to tackle challenging terrains with confidence and enjoy the thrill of off-road exploration to the fullest. Fluid check and changes. Maintaining proper fluid levels and quality in your off-road vehicle is crucial for optimal performance and durability. Regularly checking and changing essential fluids such as oil, coolant, and brake fluid can prevent serious damage and ensure your vehicle is ready to tackle any terrain. Let's delve into the key aspects of fluid maintenance for off-road driving. Regular oil checks and changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle's engine, lubricating moving parts and reducing friction and heat. For off-road driving, where engines work harder, it's essential to check oil levels frequently and change the oil according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Dirty or low oil can lead to engine damage, especially in challenging off-road conditions. Make sure to use the correct type of oil suitable for off-road use to ensure optimal engine performance. Monitoring coolant levels. Coolant is responsible for regulating your engine's temperature, preventing overheating in demanding off-road situations. Regularly monitor the coolant levels in your vehicle and top them up as needed. Insufficient coolant can result in engine overheating, leading to potential breakdowns in remote off-road locations. Additionally, ensure the coolant mixture is appropriate for the climate conditions you'll be driving in to prevent freezing or boiling over during extreme temperatures. Importance of brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid is often overlooked but is critical for your safety off-road. Effective brakes are essential for navigating steep descents and rough terrain. Regularly check the brake fluid level and quality to ensure your brakes respond promptly and effectively when needed. Contaminated or low brake fluid can lead to brake failure, endangering both you and your vehicle. Inspect the brake system for any leaks or signs of wear and address them promptly to maintain optimal braking performance. By prioritizing regular checks and changes of these vital fluids, you can enhance your off-road driving experience and prolong the lifespan of your vehicle. Proper fluid maintenance is a small yet significant investment in ensuring reliability, performance, and safety during your off-road adventures. Suspension and undercarriage inspection. Ensuring your vehicle's suspension and undercarriage are in top condition is crucial for off-road driving. Let's dive into these key aspects to help you maintain your vehicle effectively. Checking suspension components. Regularly inspecting your suspension components such as shocks, struts, springs, and control arms is essential. Look for signs of wear, leaks, or damage. If you notice any issues, address them promptly to prevent further damage and ensure a smooth off-road experience. Protecting the undercarriage. Protecting your vehicle's undercarriage from rocks, debris, and rough terrain is vital. Consider installing skid plates or underbody armor to shield vulnerable parts like the oil pan and transmission. This extra layer of protection can prevent costly damage during off-road adventures. Thanks for joining us in part 1 of our off-road car maintenance series. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into additional maintenance tips and techniques to help you prepare for your next rugged adventure. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.